Delray Beach features some of the finest art galleries on the East Coast, and Blue Gallery tops the list. Let's visit.
Delray Beach, a short drive north of Miami and a stone's throw from Tony Palm Beach, has been known for hip and trendy restaurants for years. In the last 10 years, it's also been making a name for itself in the arts, featuring a wealth of impressive one-of-a-kind artwork created by today's most cutting-edge artists. Blue Gallery is definitely worth a visit, and its owner is as interesting as the art. He thrives on what he calls the art industry adrenaline buzz.
The buzz in the art industry is all the time changing. All the time there's new shows, all the time there's new movements. You go to Paris, you see some new movements. You go to London, you see some new art movements. You go to art shows in New York. All the time there's something new.
Designing Spaces talk to gallery patrons, people who know Rami's dedication to the arts, and gallery.
You know, the average consumer thinks original art is expensive. But here at the Blue Gallery, you can find art that is extremely affordable, something that will fit anyone's budget right here in Delray Beach.
Blue Gallery has won place in the hearts of everyday art lovers, and with prices extremely affordable, popularity and fame are growing.
I'm here all the time. I really love this gallery. It feels like home to me. There's so many pieces to select from that are new.
Our show is about, well, designing spaces. We asked Rami about using fine art to do just that, to help design a space.
So this show is about designing spaces. You can do it in your own house. All you have to do is take a wall, paint it white, put one big painting. It brings atmosphere to the whole house. It's a focal point, and you'll enjoy it for the rest of your life. For example, this is David Schluss, one of my top artists. Not only he's in the best museum in the world, when you look at this piece, it makes you happy, it lifts you up, it brings happiness. You put it in your wall, in your house, all those colors are coming together and radiate to the whole room. See those greens, see those blues, see those reds, the yellows. In every color there's 5, 6, 7, 8 of different yellows. 5, 6, 7, 8 different blues. Not a lot of artists can do it, but David Schluss can.
They say word-of-mouth advertising is the best kind of advertising, and art lovers are no exception.
One of the things that I love about this gallery is that it wasn't intimidating. It wasn't like, oh my God, I don't know about art. They were really amazing about explaining to me the differences and making me feel that I could ask any question, and now I've learned a lot about art through Rami. So I just feel at home, you know, every time that I want to splurge, I just come here and buy another piece for my collection.
It brings a feeling to the house. All of a sudden your house becomes like a little museum. That's how you can change the atmosphere in your house and bring joy to your life.
If you're watching this show and saying to yourself or your significant other that you think it's time for a trip to fabulous Atlantic Avenue and Delray Beach, we at Designing Spaces couldn't agree more. What's better than great food, great culture, and great art, all rolled into one?
Everybody can find something here. We make it very simple, so you can buy something affordable and you can buy also expensive paintings. We make sure that we have a big variety for everybody.
We know what Rami would say. You can discover even more about this world-class gallery of contemporary art and sculpture by visiting bluefineart.com. That's bluefineart.com.